To extend the video duration in Canva, I'm going to pick a video document, and from here, let's just click on here and come to this plus sign. If you want to work with stock photos or stock videos, or you have your videos stored, or you want to bring in your videos from your uploads tab, you can select either of these. So I'm going to go to stock videos, and you have all the stock videos that are here. So if you pick stock video from here, you would see the stock video we picked is 7 seconds. And if you look at it here, it's naturally added as 7 seconds. The new Canva video editor can do that. So to now extend this video duration, you want to come over here to where it says 1x, it's speed, and you want to click on the speed and reduce the duration down to wherever length you're looking at your video getting. See, our video has gotten to 14 seconds. Previously it was on 7 seconds, and now it's on 14 seconds.